Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard UK drill beats. First, focus on crafting dark, gritty melodies. Use minor scales and dissonant intervals to create that signature eerie atmosphere. Next, program a distinct sliding 808 bass line. This often involves a glided, distorted sound that provides the genre's powerful low end. Finally, build sparse, syncopated drum patterns with sharp snares and open hats for that unique rhythmic bounce. Now, let's dive deeper into drum programming. Start by laying down a strong kick drum on the first beat, then add offbeat kicks to create a driving, bouncy rhythm. Place your snares precisely on the third beat, often layering them with claps for extra impact and punch. Don't forget to incorporate rapid, shuffled hi-hats and open hats. These elements are crucial for adding rhythmic complexity and that signature drill feel. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. And on another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, keeping your studio clean while you make beats. Check the description for the product link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Moving on to melodies and bass lines, which are the soul of UK drill. Create eerie melodies using dark pads, plucks, or bell sounds, always keeping them in a minor key to maintain the genre's somber mood. For your 808 bass line, design it to slide smoothly between notes, often utilizing portamento for that iconic glide. Finally, distort and saturate your 808 for a powerful, rumbling low-end presence that truly hits hard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.